Welcome to this video on quartiles. Today we'll learn what quartiles are and how to find them for a given data set. This concept is important for Class 11 Maths and the CUET examination. Let's start with the definition. Quartiles are values that split an ordered data set into four equal parts. The first quartile, denoted as Q1, is the median of the lower half of data. It represents the 25th percentile. The second quartile, Q2, is simply the overall median of the data set. It represents the 50th percentile. And the third quartile, Q3, is the median of the upper half of data. It represents the 75th percentile. Now, let's go through the procedure for finding quartiles. Step 1. Order the data from smallest to largest. Step 2. Find Q2, which is the median of the whole data set. Step 3. Split the data into a lower half, values below Q2, and an upper half, values above Q2. Step 4. Find Q1 as the median of the lower half, and Q3 as the median of the upper half. Let's work through an example together. Suppose we have this data set, which is already ordered 6, 7, 15, 36, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 47, 49. We see that there are 11 observations, which is an odd number. To find Q2, we need the middle value, which is the 6th value. This gives us Q2 equals 40. For the lower half, we take all values before 40. 6, 7, 15, 36, 39. Q1 is the median of these 5 values, which is the third value, 15. For the upper half, we take all values after 40. 41, 42, 43, 47, 49. Q3 is the median of these 5 values, which is the third value, 43. So for our data set, we have Q1 equals 15, Q2 equals 40, and Q3 equals 43. The inner quartile range, or IQR, is calculated as Q3 minus Q1. In our example, IQR equals 43 minus 15, which gives us 28. The inner quartile range represents the middle 50% of our data and is a useful measure of dispersion. What if we have an even number of observations? Let's briefly look at an example with 10 values, 5, 8, 10, 13, 16, 21, 25, 30, 32, 40. Since we have 10 values, the median Q2 is the average of the 5th and 6th values. Q2 equals 16 plus 21 divided by 2, which equals 18.5. The lower half consists of the first 5 values, 5, 8, 10, 13, 16. The median of these values, Q1, is the third value, 10. The upper half consists of the last 5 values, 21, 25, 30, 32, 40. The median of these values, Q3, is the third value, 30. Let's understand what the quartiles tell us. 25% of data lie at or below Q1. 50% of data lie at or below Q2. The median, 75% of data lie at or below Q3. The inner quartile range, or IQR, measures the middle 50% spread of the data. Quartiles are commonly used in box plots, as we saw earlier, which provide a visual summary of the data distribution. To summarize, quartiles help us understand the distribution of our data by dividing it into 4 equal parts. They are crucial for statistical analysis and are widely used in descriptive statistics. Thank you for watching this video on quartiles. I hope you now have a clear understanding of what quartiles are and how to find them.